Hey everybody, this is Brad with Tax Defense Ohio. We're here in Columbus on a beautiful rainy day. I wanted to talk about taxes and the issues that physicians and dentists may have with income taxes. So if you're trying to run a practice, if you're hiring employees, you're dealing with billing, you're trying to manage staff and make payroll all the time, that's a tough enough job in addition to running your practice and being good at it. So the fact is, most physicians and most dentists don't learn how to run a business in medical school or dental school. That's something you have to learn on the fly, and it's hard. So in addition to doing all that and trying to treat patients the best you can, right, you have the additional problem of the IRS. And that's where most people get into trouble, is they do all the other stuff, which takes 30 hours a day in a 24-hour day, and a lot of times the taxes get left behind. Where we come in is we can help with the two biggest things that most people have, and that is a failure to file or a failure to pay the income taxes or payroll taxes that are due. So with the failure to file, you have a lot of penalties. You start getting liens, levies, notices, stuff like that. Same thing with failure to pay. You don't want your assets tied up. You don't want your reputation damaged when these kind of things happen. That's the number one thing you have to go on, is your reputation. So we can help clean up years of unfiled returns. We can go through your bank records or other information, your billing, and recreate tax returns. If you don't have a good general ledger or QuickBooks to work off of, we can get your taxes completed based on just that information. And then we can go from there and get everything filed. If you owe a lot of money, we can get you on a payment plan and keep your name out of the paper, keep liens from being filed, make sure your reputation as a practitioner stays pristine. So here in Columbus, Ohio, if you're a medical professional with some tax problems, give us a confidential call at Tax Defense Ohio. Brad Hennebert, I'm a CPA, been practicing for 22 years. 614-524-4888.